Our next chapter is chapter number 22, probability. So first is introduction of probability. Probability means likelihood. It means likely to be true or not. That means maybe it will happen or maybe it will not happen. So that is your probability. For example, if we are having Azhar. Azhar is the name of a boy, and maybe he will play cricket today, or maybe he is not interested for cricket today. So both conditions are possible. Then another example is like Sachin. Maybe Sachin will go abroad for the studies, or maybe he is not interested uh, to get studies in abroad. So maybe he will get studies in India. And just like about rain, there is a chance to have rain today and maybe not. So probability means what? A chance of happening and not happening. हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है. So the words like probably, chance, chances, most likely, etc., as used above, have almost the same sense and involve an element of uncertainty. Clear? That means the measure of uncertainty, the measure of uncertainty of an event is called probability. So measure of uncertainty means if that happen, if that moment is happening, so what is the probability? If that moment is not happening, then what will be the probability? Okay, it's very easy. By examples, it will be more clear to you. Suppose you are having a coin, and as you know, there are two faces in coin. There are two faces, head and tail. Clear? Simply you will toss a coin, and either you will get head or you will get tail. Clear? So now we will talk about how to calculate probability. Simply, probability means number of favorable outcome. Number of favorable outcome divide by number of total outcome. Now what is favorable outcome and what is total outcome? Favorable outcome means what? What we want, that is favorable outcome. For example, again the same, I am having this coin, and as you know, in this coin we are having two faces, head and tail. So total outcome means what? Head and tail, two chances we are having, so our number of total outcome will be 2. For example, I want that head should come. मैं चाहता हूँ कि कॉइन में हेड आए. तो अगर मैं चाहता हूँ कि हेड आए तो टेल तो नहीं आएगा. तो अगर हेड आएगा तो उसका चांस कितना हुआ? 1. तो जो प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी वो कितनी होगी? 1/2. Similarly for tail, if I want that I should get tail, so tail is 1 in that coin, so I will write 1, then divide by total outcome, that is 2. So to get a tail or head, the probability is 1/2. Okay. Then now what if you are having more than one coin? Suppose you are having two coins. Okay. Then as you know that in this one coin we are having head and tail. Again in second coin we are having head and tail. Now if we will toss these two coins simultaneously, अगर इन दोनों कॉइन्स को हम टॉस करते हैं तो दोनों कॉइन पे क्या क्या आ सकता है. जस्ट लाइक हेड टू हेड, in both the coins we will get head, so the pair is head comma head. Or maybe in one coin we are getting head and another coin we are getting tail, so the possible outcome is head comma tail. Okay, now for example, in first coin we are getting tail and second we are getting head, so the possible outcome is like tail comma head. Then maybe in first coin we are getting tail and again on second we are getting tail, so the possible outcome is what? Tail comma tail. So these are the possible chances that we will get in the throwing two coins simultaneously. दो कॉइन्स को हम जब टॉस करेंगे तो ये हो सकता है कि दोनों कॉइन में हेड और हेड आ जाए, या फर्स्ट कॉइन में हेड आए सेकंड कॉइन में टेल आए, या फर्स्ट कॉइन में टेल आए सेकंड कॉइन में हेड आए, या फिर फर्स्ट कॉइन में भी टेल आ जाए और सेकंड कॉइन में भी हेड हो जाए, सॉरी सेकंड कॉइन में भी टेल आ जाए. तो ये पॉसिबल चांसेस हैं जो हो सकती हैं. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट इज terms that related to probability. So the first term is experiment. First term is experiment. An operation which can produce some well-defined outcomes. An operation which can produce some well-defined outcomes. Now what is this well-defined outcome? Simply, if you will throw a coin, either you will get head or you will get tail. Simply, either you will get head or you will get tail. या तो हेड आएगा या तो टेल आएगा. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कॉइन वापस ही नहीं आएगा. ठीक है. तो टॉसिंग अ कॉइन इज एन ऑपरेशन हियर, दैट मीन्स अ प्रोसेस हियर. Tossing a coin is an operation, is an process here, and by doing that we are getting some well-defined outcome. Maybe we will get tail or maybe we will get head. Okay, so just like that. Then what is probability? Again, probability means what? Again the same definition. Number of favorable outcome divided by number of total outcome. Total outcome means what? What is present in that particular object. For example, if we are talking about coin, you know that in coin we are having head and tail, so there are two chances, so the total outcome will be 2. For example, if you are having a die, a ludo die by which you are playing ludo, so you know that there are 6 chances in a ludo die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the total outcome will be 6. Okay. By solving questions it will be more clear to you. Then one example we are taking. Let a coin be tossed. Let a coin be tossed 300 times. Okay. Out of which head is obtained. Out of which head is obtained 186 times. So find the probability of getting a tail. Probability of getting a head and probability of getting a tail. So as you can see, a coin be tossed 300 times. 300 times you are tossing that coin. So this 300 is what? Total outcome. So total is 300, from which we are getting 186 times head. If we will subtract 186 from 300, so we will get 114, and at that 114 represents number of tail which we got by tossing this coin 300 times. 300 टोटल है जिसमें 186 टाइम्स हेड आया है, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं तो 114 आया तो वो 10 हो जाएगा. नाउ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ हेड, प्रोबेबिलिटी of getting a head equals to number of favorable outcome divided by number of total outcome. So number of favorable and number of total. Simply number of favorable outcome. We are calculating about head, and as you know 186 times we are having head. So we will write 186 divided by number of total outcome. Total 300 times we are tossing, so it will be like 300. You can reduce this one further, you will get answer. Okay. Then similarly for TEL, we are having TEL 114, so 114 favorable outcome divided by total outcome, that is 300. So solve this further, you will get answer. Okay. Then one more thing which you should know clearly and exactly, that probability is always greater than 0. That means probability negative नहीं होती है. But less than or equals 1, probability जो है वो 0, समटाइम्स 0 नहीं होती है, एक्चुअली वो इवेंट नहीं होता है तो उसको बोल देते हैं 0. बट प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 से बिगर होगी और 1 के इक्वल किसी रेयर केस में होती है, 1 के इक्वल, या नहीं तो फिर हर एक केस में 1 से कम होती है. प्रोबेबिलिटी हमेशा आपको फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में मिलेगी. ऑल द टाइम यू विल गेट प्रोबेबिलिटी इन फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म, and that fraction form, that fraction is proper fraction all the time. All the time you will get proper fraction because probability is less than or equal 1. Okay. Then now we will solve questions from exercise, then it will be easy for you to understand probability in a better way.